Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device. Back up the launcher and important settings, then enable developer options and USB debugging so you can run commands. Once done, install a theme engine or status bar app on the phone, and on the PC have ADB ready. Make sure the app has overlay and notification access. These permissions let the app draw a custom iOS-style bar. You are starting the process now to avoid permission blocks later, and to keep the device restorable if something breaks. You will now install and configure the overlay. If you have root or a custom ROM, use Substratum or a System UI theme. If you don't, use Super Status Bar or a launcher that supports status customization. Next, connect via ADB and run the specific grant commands the app requires so the overlay can modify system UI elements. Then choose the iOS asset pack, adjust color schemes, battery percentage, and carrier text. Make incremental changes, and reboot the system UI between tweaks to confirm each change applied correctly. Finish by setting the new status bar app as persistent and locking its permissions so Android won't kill it. Once done, test notifications, full-screen apps, and reboots to ensure the iOS look persists. Make small adjustments to icon size and spacing for alignment. If things go wrong, revoke and re-grant overlay and write secure settings permissions via ADB, clear the app cache, or restore the backup you made. If alignment remains off, switch assets or reduce density. That single step usually fixes visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.